Hello guys, if you wonder how to make Google backup on ASUS Zenfone 6, today I wanna show you. So let's start from open the settings, swipe down and go to the Google, go for personal, and here it is, backup. And now we have to turn on backup to Google Drive, and of course there is very important to have access to the internet, because without the internet we cannot connect to Google servers. So remember it. As you can see, my Wi-Fi is turned on. So activate this option by clicking on the marker, and now we have to add account, and now just play allow. And as you can see, now we have to wait until all the stuff backs to our phone again. So this is how it looks on this device. Thank you for the watching. Leave likes, subscriptions and comments below.